Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change wallpaper on MSI Claw. To do this, first we'll need to click on the start, navigate to the settings, here enter personalization and scroll down to the background. Inside you can switch between different modes like picture, solid color, slideshow or window spotlight. In case you want to pick your own image as wallpaper, I recommend to go for the picture. Scroll down again and select browse photos. It will open your file manager and now you can find the photo that you want to set as your wallpaper. Open it and choose picture. Then we can see the image right here. Click on that image and you can also switch how it will fit your desktop image by filling it, fitting, stretch, tile, center or span. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.